Hello and welcome to this comprehensive video on sneaky psychological tricks to make people instantly like you. Whether you are looking to make a good impression on a new friend, colleague or potential partner, these tips and tricks are designed to help you build positive connections quickly and easily. Tip 1. Smile. It may seem obvious, but smiling is a powerful way to make people like you. Research shows that people who smile are seen as more attractive, friendly, and approachable. So next time you meet someone new, try to greet them with a genuine smile. Tip 2. Use mirroring. Mirroring is a technique that involves subtly mimicking someone's body language and speech patterns. It creates a sense of rapport and makes people feel more comfortable around you. For example, if someone leans in while they speak, you can lean in too. If they use certain phrases or gestures, you can try to incorporate them into your own speech and behavior. Tip 3. Compliment others. People love to be appreciated and recognized for their strengths. When you give a genuine compliment, it can make people feel good about themselves and also help to build trust and respect. So, look for opportunities to compliment others, but make sure they are sincere and specific. Tip 4. Use their name. Using someone's name when you talk to them can create a feeling of familiarity and connection. It shows that you are interested in them as an individual and helps to build rapport. So, when you meet someone new, make a point of remembering their name and using it in conversation. Tip 5. Ask questions and show interest. People love to talk about themselves, and when you show a genuine interest in what they have to say, it can create a positive impression. Ask open-ended questions and really listen to their answers. Show that you are engaged by making eye contact and nodding in agreement. Tip 6. Use positive body language. Your body language can communicate a lot about your personality and mood. Using positive body language can help to make you appear more approachable and confident. For example, stand up straight, make eye contact, and avoid crossing your arms or legs. Tip 7. Use the power of touch. Human touch can be a powerful tool for creating positive connections with others. A gentle touch on the arm or shoulder can convey warmth and empathy. However, it's important to use touch appropriately and only with people who are comfortable with it. Tip 8. Share your own vulnerabilities. Sharing your own vulnerabilities and flaws can help to create a sense of intimacy and trust. It shows that you are not perfect and that you are willing to be open and honest with others. However, be careful not to overshare or make yourself too vulnerable too quickly. Tip 9. Find common ground. Finding common ground with someone can create a sense of shared experience and connection. Look for common interests or experiences that you can talk about. For example, you might both enjoy the same TV show or have a shared interest in a particular hobby. Tip 10. Be authentic. Above all, it's important to be authentic and true to yourself. People can often sense when someone is being fake or insincere, so it's important to be genuine in your interactions with others. Be honest, be yourself, and let your personality shine through. So, there you have it, 10 sneaky psychological tricks to make people instantly like you. Try incorporating these tips into your interactions with others and see how they can help you build positive connections quickly and easily. Thank you for watching.